See question number 1 in exercise 3.2. Form the pair of linear equations in the following problems and find their solutions graphically. There are 4 points. In first part, 10 students of class 10 took part in a mathematics quiz. If the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys, find the number of boys and number of girls who took part in the quiz. So in the question it's given 10 students of the class 10, means number of boys and number of girls together is given 10. For that we let number of girls be x and number of boys be y. So by first situation, number of girls x and number of y, boys y, x plus y is equal to 10. It is given equation number 1. This equation 1 expressed like x is equal to y plus 4. By the second situation, if the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys, means x is equal to y plus 4. It would be expressed x minus y is equal to 4. It is equation number 2. As we have solved in previous exercise, we find at least 2 points, 2 coordinates from the pair of linear equations. Like I have drawn 2 tables for equation number 1 and for equation number 2 also. So in equation number 1, x plus y is equal to 10. I have taken 2 values, 5 for x and 5 for y, 3 for x and 7 for y. Similarly 6, 2 and 4, 0. So these points of pair of linear equations have to plot on the graph. Means we have to express the pair of linear equations graphically, and from this graph we have to find the solutions. Is it okay? Now see the graph paper. See on the graph how to locate this pair of linear equation on the graph. See, first we have to plot 0.55 on the graph paper. You can see easily 3, 7 also. Now join these 2 points with the help of a ruler. You will get a line that is x plus y is equal to 10. From second equations we have 2 points 6, 2 and 4, 0. First of all we plot 6, 2. 6, 2 you can see on the graph, and 4, 0 also. Join these 2 points with the help of ruler. You can see these 2 lines on the graph paper. After producing, you see these 2 lines intersect each other at a point. That point, find that point on x-axis. This point lie on x-axis at 7 and on y-axis 3. Means the coordinate of this point will be 7, 3. 7 is the value for x and y is the value for y, and we have assumed number of girls be x and number of boys be y. So number of girls will be 7 and number of boys will be 3. Okay.